Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to reset this oil change required light. This is Ford Mondeo 2017 model. It's very easy steps. You don't want any special tool for this one, but make sure you done the service. After that, you need to come to the screen. Before that, you need to switch off the car. Then after that, ignition on without press any pedal, just press it once. Right, you can see now ignition on. Then after that, you need to play with this button, your dashboard clear. Then after that, you need to press left arrow. Right, when you press left arrow, your dashboard say this one, you need to press down this key, this one, down arrow, go to the settings, then again press OK. Right, again vehicle, you need to do same thing, press OK. Then after that, little bit scroll down, oil life. Then again you have to press OK. Once you press OK, it's asks hold OK to reset. That means you need to press and hold this button. After that, it will reset. I'm going to press and hold. After that, you need to ignition off, press brake pedal and clutch pedal and start the car. Now you can see the dashboard. It's asking the seat belt. I'm going to press OK. You can see as it is. Service light disappeared. This is the way you need to follow reset your service light. But make sure done the service before reset the light. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, please subscribe and comments below, is this helpful for you or not. Thank you. See you with another video.
Thanks for watching.